Guys, wake up. Guys. What? It's a time for school. No, I don't want to go to school yet. I'm so tired, Mommy. Wait a minute. Mommy? Why is there no light outside? Because I woke you guys up early today.
What?
Why? Are we going to Disneyland? Wow, we're going to Disneyland. No, we're not going to Disneyland. We're going somewhere better.
Why?
What's better than Disneyland? Whoa! What is better than Disneyland?
New York.
New York? No, it's not. New York doesn't have rides and Mickey Mouse.
It doesn't have popcorn.
Yeah, New York is not better, Mommy. Where are we going? I guess I have to tell you guys. We are moving to a new house.
Yay!
I'm so excited. You happy? Yay! Yeah. Okay. I need you guys to pack in your room and
Wake up our babies.
no, leave the baby sleeping. It's still too early for her. I need you guys to pick up your room, put your toys in your bags, and let's move to a new house.
But that's not better than Disneyland.
Yeah, it's not, Mommy. It's not. Sorry, girls. Yay, we get to pack.
Oh, I want to use this bag.
I want to use this purple one.
And that's your favorite color.
Yeah.
I need to go to the bathroom first, though.
Okay. I don't want to move. I don't want to move. I love this house. I have all my friends, and I don't want to move. I don't want to go nowhere. I love my house and all my memories. And the time when I spilled the juice box everywhere on the floor. It's gonna be gone. My brand new stain I just did. And then you're gonna come back.
I'm back.
Yay! I just started putting. No, I didn't put nothing in my bag yet.
You are ready for me?
Yeah. I'm
We
gonna.
can't forget Mr. Dinosaur.
I'm
He
gonna
made
put-
us grow up.
I go put my little Twinkie in there.
Sister,
But
we can't forget Mr. Dinosaur because he was playing with us when we were a baby.
okay, I'm still baby. I'm gonna go get the stuff in the closet.
Okay. Sister,
What?
why are you crying?
I'm not crying. I'm just sniffling. I have bad allergies. Anyways.
In the cold shit?
Yeah.
I'm going to be my Among Us toy, remember?
Anyways, I'm gonna put my Minnie Mouse in there.
Ooh, you want to go
and
get
my
our
little
water
ball.
bottles?
I already put my water bottle in
I'm going to
there.
go get mine from downstairs.
Okay. She's gone. Anybody here? Anybody? No? My bad. I'm gonna miss you. And my carpet that I went potty on. And my walls that I did my beautiful art on. It's gonna be gone. Why are you crying? I'm not crying.
I think she just has allergies, she told me.
Why are you crying, bro? I'm not crying. Why are you dancing? I'm super excited because we're moving to our new house. Yeah! We're moving to our new house. Woo! Yeah, I'm so happy. Yay. I'm about to be done packing, so
I need to go downstairs to get my stuff that I need to take.
I'm gonna put my donut in
Okay.
there. I don't think you could do that. Mommy said she's gonna do that. Anyways, I'm putting my ginormous big pillow in my bag. Oh, stop it. Get in there. Oh.
Oh, there are my boxes.
Okay.
My my box. You got the box. It says your name.
Yeah, it's over here. Get my little. I got my little box and my little name's on it. My name Blue Woo is on it. And it's so pretty. It's yellow. And I'm not done packing. I'm going to put a white tail.
Cute.
Are you done packing?
Yep. Look it. That's perfect packing. My clothes.
Wow. Perfect. Okay.
I have perfect packing. What about the
Okay,
baby?
well, I don't have no packing stuff, guys.
Oh, Mom will pack your bubble for you.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's go tell Mama we're done. Oof, I have so much to do. Hi, you finished packing?
Yep.
Did your sister finish packing?
Yes.
Okay, well, I just finished the bathroom, so now I have to do this ginormous kitchen.
Can I help you?
Sure. Okay, so this is our pink bag.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's kind of huge, but
It's
it's gonna fit
taller than
It's gonna fit everything in there.
I'm
It could even
tired.
put you in it.
and like,
Okay.
you guys could drive me in it.
Okay, so let's put this baba in there
For the baby.
for the babies. Some bread in there.
I'll eat that, the whole thing. But I'll show the other half of my sister.
Another
For that.
another baba. We got some pink snacks for the baby. Baby can't go wrong with snacks. And another baba. Or another water bottle. Okay, so now we have this
What
cabinet.
about this?
So we're gonna put that in the end. Put this food in plates in there. Oh, yep, the donut goes in there too.
What about the
And the baby's little car that she loves to ride around in the kitchen when I'm cooking. She rides in that. Okay, well, our stuff is all done. Now we're just gonna put in the truck. I'll go get your guys' stuff. Oh my gosh. Oof. This is huge. Okay, stuff it through the door. Oof. Time to get the table stuff out. Put the chairs on top of each other. Time to go. And just like that, our whole kitchen is cleaned. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this kitchen. All the delicious stuff we made in this kitchen and happy birthday songs we sang. I'm gonna miss this house. It's just so sad to see our house like this. Well, I guess it's not gonna be a house anymore when I step out the door. Okay, well, now I need to go clean my room, so I want to go do that. I guess we gotta start packing. I only have a backpack because the kids took up all the other stuff. So I'm gonna put my phone in there, my fancy purse in there, which is super expensive, and I don't know where this came from, but I have it, so. I don't have a lot in my room, so this is gonna be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Put my backpack on.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
You almost done?
Yeah, you guys finished your room?
Yep.
Okay. You guys cleaned it?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm finishing up packing right now.
I
Okay.
I'm jumping from bottom to top.
Popcorn.
I'm so excited.
Get out this. Okay, move it the way. Oof, it's heavy. Well, just like that again. The room's all empty.
Mom, what?
My drawings, look at them. My fashionista drawings. Everything that happened in this house. I painted these walls pink because I love the color pink and I'm Barbie, so obviously I love pink. Well, I guess it's all gone now. I guess I gotta paint another wall. Let's go down the stairs because we're done.
Did you get them?
Well, we gotta go in the car now, so let's go.
Why are you crying?
Because I don't want to leave.
But why? You're going to go to a new house and it's going to be fun.
All my memories as a baby. I drawed on the walls. I went potty on the carpet. I spilled juice on the carpet. And all my art pieces on the walls and everything else. And all my stains and potties and everything.
But you can do that in the new house.
I can start my new art. Great idea. Let's go. Let's go, kids. Woo!